So this is the video on how to use the tap. Behind all that there is the device. The button in the middle turns it on and off, but we leave it on all the time. Only we need to turn it off if there's an issue. Spout moves back and forth. So here, that's on cold water. Move it this way, it's hot water, anywhere in between. This is for the boiling water, this one here. Personally, I recommend turning the spout over to this one. Pull the thumb latch towards you and then push the button away. You don't have to keep your hand on it, you can release it. It does recommend that you run it briefly just to get it going. And then what I would do is I would use my right hand, have it fairly close to the spout, because if it's too far it might splash, so have it fairly close, and then use your left hand to operate the other button. Obviously I've got my hand on the phone at the moment, so I can't really do that, but I'll just show again. Pull the latch out, thumb latch towards you, push it over and let go, and it starts. You can, I suppose, quickly pop the water cup under like that. So if you do that action and let go, then you just, sorry, what I just did then was I just turned it back. I didn't have to worry about the thumb latch to turn it off.